All right. All right. Let me drop these a little bit. This I pull away a little gracefully. Ah, well, less than graceful, but whatever. She ready. So I'm gonna park this thing right here. And then I'm gonna try to get into that other truck over there somehow. The driver's not there. And I was assured that there's an issue. Wouldn't be that bad. Let's fix this. All right, I'm here. You gotta roll your window up. You're gonna walk away from your truck for a minute out here. Always roll your window up. Always. There's a whole lot of creepers out here. Creepies and creepos. Why is she leaking all the time? Why is she leaking all the time? She's always so nosy. All right. This paper was crinkled up when I got it. How ghetto is that? Who does that? Who even does that? I don't even know who does that. I don't does that. Hey, knock knock. We're taking over. We're taking over. We're taking over. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh. One-handed. One-footed. One-footed. Oh, I'm not a mechanic. Where are they at? Do you see them? Am I not seeing them? Oh, I'm not seeing them. I'm gonna have to go get my glasses. I'm not seeing them.